Smartwatches are still a very new thing to a lot of people. You don't absolutely need one to get through the day, and some of the best smartwatches are much too expensive for many folks out there. With that said, they are good for a lot of things. They can provide you with an easy way to get information, allow you to dismiss or reply to new messages without having to pull out your phone, and much more. So, with so many smartwatches on the market, choosing the right one can be a bit daunting, and that's exactly why I'm here to help. So, here are the top 5 best smartwatches under 5000 that you can buy right now. So, guys, this is Suleiman Khan, and let's start. So the first one in our list is NoiseFit Fusion. NoiseFit Fusion, the name itself suggests that we can expect a fusion of two or more than two things. Yes, you guessed it right. NoiseFit has fused class and technology to give you the best smartwatch in this segment. This stylish smartwatch by NoiseFit offers you some handy features which you would not want to miss. The watch is made up of stainless steel combined with a sapphire glass, giving it a long-lasting factor. The small 39 dial first well and looks pretty on the wrist when you put it on. 18 skin-friendly straps along with an adjustable clasp mechanism make it an ideal fit for every user. A crown button on the side of the watch has been given to control all your activities. The watch is available in 3 trendy colors, out of which vintage black is my favorite. Moving towards the display size of the watch, it has a full capacitive touch display of 1.22 inches. The build quality of the display seems sturdy and can take up minor abuses. The watch has an always-on display which is coupled with mechanical hands that looks classy whenever you look at it to check out the time. You get multiple digital watch faces to change according to the occasion. The watch comes fitted with a 200 mAh battery that can offer you varying usage time depending on usage mode. If you are using the watch in smart mode by activating all the sensors, then the watch will stay awake for 3 days. If you choose to use the watch in analog mode with basic functionalities, then the watch offers you a usage time of 20 days. Following things being said, it is apparent why this watch has topped our list of best smartwatches under 5000. If you are a guy who wants to enjoy a classy look with the smart features, then just go for this watch. So the next one in our list is Amazfit Bip S. Amazfit has been very frequently launching electronic gadgets for the past few years. Its latest launch is Amazfit Bip S smartwatch, which comes with an accurate GPS tracker and is very handy in managing your day-to-day activities. The design of Amazfit Bip is exclusive as it has been equipped with some of the latest technology. The smartwatch has a feather-light body that weighs around 31 grams. The wristband is built up of molecular lattice technology that makes it soft, dry and resistant to dirt. The control button of the watch is made up of stainless steel which is coated with a PVC vacuum coating process. The smartwatch has a transflective display that is visible in even harsh sunlight conditions and will not put any strain on your eyes. The display produces eye-pleasing bright colors which makes it more usable in the outdoors. The one-touch display will give you access to all your notifications and helps you to track all your physical activities. The battery is one of the major attractions of this best smartwatch under 5000. The watch has 200 mAh battery that gives a battery backup of 40 days. You can use your watch for 40 days and do various activities on a single charge. If you are using the watch in basic usage scenario, then it will last up to 40 days, while if you are opting for typical usage scenario, then it will last up to 15 days. This smartwatch is undoubtedly one of the best smartwatches under 5000 that you can avail at this time. So the next one in our list is Noise Color Fit Pro 2. Noise Color Fit Pro 2 is a budget-friendly and feature-loaded best smartwatch under 5000 which you can avail of. The watch comes with supreme display quality, strong build and exclusive features. The smartwatch has been designed beautifully with an eye-pleasing display. The square dial shaped watch is made up of polycarbonate material that makes it resistant and durable. The watch comes with swappable straps that you can swap according to your moods. So talking about the display of this watch, it has a 1.22-inch colorful touch LCD that helps you to manage all your calls and notifications. You can frequently set new and cool wallpapers on your watch from your device gallery. The watch is compatible with all the Android and iOS devices, and you can seamlessly connect your smartphone via Bluetooth. Apart from the battery backup, the smartwatch has all the ingredients to spice up your health life with its amazing tracking features. This can be a perfect pick if you are searching for the best smartwatches under 5,000 for a long period of time. So the next one in our list is a Realme watch. It is the newly released watch. Realme Watch is a product of a company that is always ready to give its users luxurious experience feel in a cheap price tag. Realme Watch is just another name for an explicit experience. Let's first talk about its design. The Realme Watch is in the square-shaped module, which is good because it's more functional. Although the casing doesn't have any metal, hence the watch simply weighs around 31 grams and the Realme brand is only 50% of its weight, which makes it light as a feather in the smartwatch section. The polycarbonate body doesn't make it look necessarily cheap. The sides of the watch are covered with a silver coating, which gives the feel of it being more expensive than what it in actual costs. At the side of the watch, there is a single button with a yellow dash, which gives a minimalistic feel, which can be used to wake, sleep the screen. The Realme Watch comes with 1.4-inch display, which is probably the biggest display you would find on a smartwatch in this price range. Although display has thick bezels, maybe which is why the display is this big. If you look closely, you can also see Realme branding at the watch face. The display is quite decent and easily visible when indoors, but it's quite difficult and it's hard on eyes when you are out in the sunlight. The touch response is also not that great. It's smooth, but don't expect Apple Watch Touch from it. As for watch faces, the Realme Watch can store 6 watch faces on the watch, and there are about dozen more that can be chosen from the Realme Link application. The battery can last up to 5 days with a single charge, and it takes 2 to 2.25 hours to fully charge the watch. It also comes with a 2-pin charger that magnetically snaps to the watch, although magnets are not that powerful. At this price, this is the best smartwatch under 10,000 with features like blood oxygen level tracking and 1.41-inch display and support for call and messages, notifications, and IP68 rating with features like meditation are cherry on top. Although it's more like a fitness tracker with a bigger display, but at this price it's good and affordable option. So the last one in our list is Amazfit Bip Lite. Amazfit Bip Lite smartwatch is a performance-rich smartwatch that can be your personalized fitness coach. The watch is ultra light and can run for longer periods in a single charge. Amazfit comes with a square dial, which is light in weight and easy to carry. The watch is weighed around 32 grams, which you can carry on your adventures without feeling anything on your wrist. As far as the display of the watch is concerned, it has a 1.28-inch colorful touch display that is transflective, and you can read all the digital fonts in intense sunlight. The display is scratch proof and is protected with Gorilla Glass. The display is waterproof and can resist up to 30-meter water depth while swimming. Amazfit Bip smartwatch can be your perfect companion in your adventure travels. You even do not need to carry a charger, as the watch can last up to 45 days on a single charge. This watch perfectly fits in our criteria of best smartwatches under 5,000. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.